Hello friends and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Mandy and I like to talk about makeup panning, nail polish, and things happening in my real life. Today I have an update for my project, the Love My Makeup project, so stay tuned. Alright, this is Love My Makeup project, or Love My Makeup, I guess for short. Anyway, this is a project that I created in 2022, I think, in a way to get some use out of items that are either old in my collection and being neglected, or things that are new and haven't had a chance to be tried yet. It's an easy project. You just pick 3 products and use them 10 times. I like to work on something that is from my eyes, my face, and my lips category. That way I have one thing from each section of my face, more or less. And, but you don't have to. You can work on anything you want. And, that leads me to say that you can join this project if you want. It is open to anybody. There is no end date. Just let me know down in the comments so I can follow your progress and cheer you on as you go. The hashtag for this project, if you choose to participate, is lovemymakeupproject. I know I wish it was shorter, but that's what I came up with. Anyway, so getting into what I've been working on and what is rolling out this month. So, like I said, it's 3 products and 10 uses. And you can take as long as you want. Some of these products, my oldest one right now was brought in February, and the newest one was brought in May. But prior to that, I was working on ones from last September. So we'll see how we do going forward. The first product I'm working on currently is a lipstick for my lips, obviously. And it is this bullet lipstick in the shade Paleontologist. I am wearing it today underneath my Bite Multi-Stick in Prismatic Pearl, but this is just a nude beigey brown lipstick. It is also topped on top of a dark burgundy lip liner, so altogether the combo is manageable. I don't think this would be good on its own. I keep saying I'm going to try it as a bronzer, and I haven't done that, so maybe one of these days I will try that. But so far, today I'm up to 6 uses, so I have 4 more uses left to go. It is not my favorite color in the world. I tend to gravitate towards the darker, more burgundy colors, but, it's not bad. And the formula is nice, so that's good. The next product was for my eyes, and that is an eyeliner. This is the Kajal Divine Calo Kajal pencil from Tennis. I don't know which is the brand and which is if Divine Calo is the brand or Tennis is the brand, but this is it. It is black. It is a retractable gel liner, and I'll give you a swatch of it. It is very nice and creamy. And I have met my goal on this eyeliner, so it is rolling out. It is one of my more preferred formulas, so yeah, I am working on it and rolling it out. I mean, I've met my goal. I'm rolling it out. How many times can I say I'm rolling it out? I'm rolling it out. Alright, finally the last product I'm working on is something for my face, and I decided to bring in a BB cream. This is from L'Oreal, their Magic Skin Beautifier BB cream in Fair. It is one of these, it is a white BB cream that changes color as you work it in. I think this shade is a little bit dark for me, because when I wear it, I feel like I turn a little bit orange. And I'm pretty fair. I'm fair like, paper. So that's what it starts out looking like. And that is it blended in. It looks pretty nice, but as it sits and oxidizes, as it sits, it oxidizes and darkens up. And I think it just turns a little bit orange, but I'm going to keep trying to play with it, work with it, maybe as I get a tan as the time goes on. it might work better. I am not wearing it today. I thought about it. Actually, I didn't think about it. I'm trying to rotate through other things, so hopefully you can see it's right there. And I don't know if it's changing much, but it doesn't leave the skin feeling nice, so, you know, that's a good thing. Anyway, so far I've used it 3 times, which is better than none. And so I have 7 more uses left to go. Gonna check. It's getting a little bit darker there. Anyway, so since I rolled out an eyes product, I'm going to bring in another eye product. And I'm running out of things. I might have to bring in single eyeshadows soon. But for now, I am working on another eyeliner. I am bringing in my NYX Slide On, Glide On, Stay On, definitely, blah, blah, blah. The Slide On, Glide On in Purple Blaze, which is a purple metallic. And I will give you a swatch of it there. I recently finished one from LA Girl, LA Color, another purple metallic eyeliner that got itty bitty, and then I couldn't sharpen it anymore. Anyway, this one is a nice one. Oh, also I decluttered 2 that were in a pencil form because they weren't as creamy. They were both from LA Girl as well. Anyway, this is a nice creamy formula from NYX. I really enjoy the NYX formulas, so I am looking forward to getting some use out of that. We'll see how long it takes me to get 10 uses out of a purple metallic eyeliner. I mean, it's not very metallic, it's mainly just purple. But yeah, that is everything for today's video. If you enjoyed this and want to join along, please let me do so and let me know in the comments so like I said, I can cheer you on. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so while you're here. It really means a lot to me. I am trying to get to 200 subscribers by the end of the year. More would be nice, but 200 is the goal. And until my next video, take care of yourselves, stay true to you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!